MPW motor protective circuit breakers offer compact protection of electric circuits and operation of motors ranging up to 45 kilowatts or 55 kilowatts. The MPW series boasts high braking capacity, allowing installation in specific applications with high short circuit current, guaranteeing complete protection for electric circuits and motors through thermal and magnetic releases. These circuit breakers can be installed through direct mounting on 35mm DIN rail or with fixing screws through a PLMP adapter. Other features include on-off push button on the MPW 18 model and an on-off handle on the MPW 40, 80, and 100 model. Trip indication on both models, allowing visualization of the breaker status. Starting handles can be padlocked on the off position, allowing for maximum safety during maintenance. For more information, visit us at motorsandcontrol.com.